All right, we're fixing to get back in the van for the next 4 days. We've got a smaller size trip planned. Two of my daughters and myself are going to be headed to North Carolina mountains. We've got a couple photo shoots up there in the Great Smokies, and then they've got ECNL soccer games Saturday and Sunday. Saturdays in Atlanta, Sundays in Birmingham, then a long trek back. So should be a fun time. I'm looking forward to the trip. Looking forward to some different photo shoots. Hopefully we'll get on some hikes, get in the woods, just get out of Florida for a little bit, maybe escape the heat. And yeah, as soon as they get back from training this evening, we're out of here. So should be a late takeoff, but be kind of fun. All right, guys, just crossed into South Carolina. Decided we'd stop here for the night at a rest area on our way up into the mountains. Did a quick 4-hour drive. My co-pilot's been back there crashed out for about 30 minutes into the drive. We did about a 4-hour run. So yeah, we'll get some sleep, get back on the road in the morning.
Flashing bright in my eyes. Look up to the sky and I got this relief inside. Then there's no need to hide. I'm going all the way up. I'm going all the way up.
All right, guys, just got up. We slept about 4.5, 5 hours. We've got about another 5.5 hours drive ahead of us to get into North Carolina, up into the mountains. So yeah, let's get rolling. All right, guys, we just got to our accommodations in North Carolina, the Great Smoky Mountains. Super cool place. Check this view out. That's awesome. So we'll be here the next 2 days, today and tomorrow. I've got a couple photo shoots to do up here, and then we head down to Atlanta for my daughters. They both have games in Atlanta on Saturday and in Birmingham on Sunday, then back to Florida, then MLS on Friday. So it's going to be another busy week, but truly enjoyable. Glad we could get up here. So we've got deer just outside the window at the house we're staying in up in North Carolina. Pretty cool visitors. Today we're about to leave for the national park, the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, which is beautiful right now. The leaves are starting to turn. Fall is maybe kicking in a little up here, so it's been really cool. Been really nice to escape the Florida heat. Just gorgeous weather up here. So yeah, looking forward to today, and then tomorrow we're back in the van, headed to Atlanta for a shoot, and then Sunday we're headed into Birmingham, Alabama for another shoot. I've got games both those days. So definitely a full range of photo shoots this weekend. It's been fun. But yeah, let's head off into the park. All right, guys, just driving through the national park and popped out a bunch of elk. So we're gonna get some photos.
Here comes the bear. Look at his horns. Oh, he's got moss on his. Oh.
That's gonna be a sick shot. That is awesome. So it's a group of elk, and the bull is in the back, making sure everybody's coming along. And he's got one that's hanging back. He keeps getting mad yelling at it. So cool. Got some really good shots. All right, we found a little place to kind of chill and just relax for the evening for a little bit up here on the Nantahala River. So we're gonna come down and check it out. Wow, look at how slick the rock is. My camera won't even like set up on it. Told you. These rocks are not to be trifled with. Found our waterfall. Bring her to her waterfall, she finds an avocado. How to do it? You can't come find a waterfall and not get in. So we got in. I can't let her shame me. Getting down this fun part. All right, guys, end of day 2. It was a fantastic day. We traveled up into the Great Smoky National Park. It was awesome. Ran across the elk herd on our way up to the top. Got some really good stills, photos, and some video of those moving through. Really unique experience. That was awesome. Came back down out of there, went into downtown Bryson City. Did some things, then we went up into Deep Creek area. That was cool. And then ended our day in the Nantahala Gorge down on the Nantahala River. We got underneath the waterfall and kind of chilled under that for a while. And instead of a cold plunge, we figured why not do a waterfall plunge. So fun time. Can't wait to see what day 3 and 4 have in store. Tomorrow we get up fairly early and get back on the road and travel south to Atlanta. So yeah, see you in the morning. All right, guys, started day 3 super early. We are just taking off from our accommodations up here in the Carolinas, and we are going to head southwest into Atlanta. Let's get moving. right, today's game's done. Fixing to leave Atlanta, head over to Birmingham. See what kind of trouble we can get into in the Birmingham area. Let's do it. It is a good place to boondock overnight. In these vans though, it's fantastic. Nice big lit areas. It's open 24 hours. There's constantly traffic. Like it's a pretty nice and secure place to stay. All right, I think before we get on the road, we need to make some coffee. Oh yeah. One of the advantages of traveling in the van, always got my coffee maker.
It's actually kind of cold out.
Sunlight draped across.
Coffee. What is this, day 3 for us? Day 3,
Yeah.
technically day 4 because we left Thursday night, so headed to our last games. What do we got, 9 and 11?
And in this moment we're together, and nothing can erase this day. Oh, the coffee's on the counter, and the news is banging on the door.
All right,
In the midst
games are
of
done.
these distractions,
We're headed back to Florida.
that's worth
Thanks
fighting
for following us on this episode, and we'll see you in the next one.
So we turn off all the noise